Picture this. Waves gently lapping against sandy beaches. The sound of water meeting shore. But this isn't Earth. This is Mars, 3.6 billion years ago. China's Zhurong rover has just made one of the most groundbreaking discoveries in space exploration history. And it changes everything we thought we knew about the Red Planet. Welcome to the Cosmos Quest. In February 2025, scientists announced something extraordinary. China's Zhurong rover detected ancient shorelines on Mars through its ground-penetrating radar during its operation from May 2021 to May 2022. But here's the incredible part. The rover found shallow sandy slopes perfectly preserved about 33 feet beneath the Martian surface. These aren't just random rock formations. These are smooth, sloping sand layers, the unmistakable signature of ancient beaches. Think about that for a moment. Buried beneath the cold, dry Mars we know today lies evidence of a world that once had oceans. Real oceans with real beaches. So what exactly did Zhurong discover? The ground-penetrating radar measured thick layers of sand, sloping in patterns that match coastal environments on Earth. These sedimentary structures tell a story. Mars had a gigantic ocean called Deuteronolis more than 3 billion years ago. This ocean likely covered a third of the planet's surface. The radar data shows something fascinating. The sand layers slope gently, just like beaches do. The presence of these thick layers means the ocean existed for millions of years, long enough to deposit all this sand. This wasn't a brief flooding event. This was a stable ocean system that lasted long enough to create proper coastlines. Scientists estimate this ocean was created by flooding nearly 3.7 billion years ago. For context, that's when life was just beginning to emerge on Earth. During the late Noachian to early Hesperian periods, around 3.6 to 3.4 billion years ago, Mars was a completely different world. Much like the primordial seas of Earth, this ancient Martian ocean could have harbored life. Then the ocean froze, etching out a coastline before disappearing around 3.4 billion years ago. What we see today is just the ghost of that ancient world. This discovery is huge for several reasons. This could represent the first evidence of a true ocean from Mars' ancient past. Previous studies suggested Mars might have had water. But this is different. This is direct evidence of sustained bodies of water. This strengthens the case for past habitability on Mars. Where there were oceans and beaches, there could have been life. There must have been rivers transporting sediment to the ocean. This means Mars once had a complete water cycle, just like Earth. China's Zhurong rover made this discovery possible. The rover used sophisticated ground-penetrating radar to see beneath the surface. This technology allowed scientists to essentially look back in time. An international team of researchers, including scientists at Pennsylvania State University, confirmed that a huge ocean likely did once exist in Mars's northern hemisphere. The discovery was announced by researchers from China's Aerospace Information Research Institute under the Chinese Academy of Sciences. It's published in peer-reviewed journals, and I have provided the link in the description. What's remarkable is that this evidence was just sitting there, waiting to be discovered, hidden beneath our feet, or in this case, beneath the Martian soil. This discovery opens up so many new questions. If Mars had stable oceans for millions of years, what happened to all that water? Did life ever take hold in those ancient seas? Future Mars missions will now have new targets to explore. These ancient shorelines could hold fossils or other signs of past life. It's very fascinating that while Earth's early oceans were teeming with the first forms of life, Mars might have had its own primordial seas just next door. The next time you look up at Mars in the night sky, remember this discovery. That red dot isn't just a barren desert world. It's a planet with a rich, watery past. Somewhere beneath that rusty surface lie the preserved remains of ancient beaches where Martian waves once crashed against alien shores. What do you think this means for the possibility of ancient life on Mars? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this cosmic revelation fascinated you, subscribe to the Cosmos Quest for more amazing discoveries from our universe. Until next time, keep looking up and remember, the universe still has incredible secrets waiting to be uncovered.